Chainlink daily update. In a sea of red, our boy Chainlink is still green. How high can he go? Well, we're coming into resistance right now. So we're going to look at resistance today. We're going to look at the Gaussian channel again today. And we're even going to look at LINKETHEREUM versus Link Bitcoin as well. So if you like the video today, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Twitter. Follow us on Telegram. We have 100% free Telegram. I like to post in there. Some little bonuses every now and again. If I'm not posting on YouTube, sometimes I'll throw some things in there. So go check that out. And if you want more help, more content than what you see in there, then we have Patreon. That's where you get access to a private Telegram. Much more stuff in there. I cover a lot of coins in there every day. So if you want to learn more, that's where you do it. So link on the daily chart. We're coming into a little bit of a resistance. So this doesn't have to hold. I would love for Link to blast through this, right? Our main area of focus has got to be this top $35 level. That's the bigly level, okay? The little smaller levels are right here. Around this $28 level is the next clear level. Why? Well, look at how many times we've interacted with this line since going back to August, right? Previous local top here, flip to minor support, and then come back here, flip to resistance. See all the daily candles here, resistance, 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 around that $28 level, even a little more interaction here. And now we're getting ready to hit it again. So if there's one level you had to pick out of a bucket, $28 level would be my bucket, okay? So plain and simple. Let's go look at something else. The LINKUSD on the daily RSI. Look at what we have here. So going back to November of 2020, so well over a year, Link struggles to get its RSI above the 72 level. Only done it once since way back. And when Link hit its $20 level in the summer of 2020. Remember that? Maybe some of you were around, maybe some of you were not. But no matter. Link is bullish right now, right? Make no mistake. In a sea of red to be green, you're bullish, okay? However, we've broken through this downtrend. See this little downtrend here? If we come up and we hit resistance on the 72-ish level, which we're right now, we're at what, 66, so we got a little ways to go. But say we hit our head here. This is what we would want to ideally do. If we hit resistance here, come back down, hold support here, right? And not make a, come back down the mountain. We want to hold here and then go back up, right? And then hold that line as support. Flip this long-term resistance as support on your RSI, and then Link can be, moonbound, right? This is what we would want. And notice the dates on the bottom here, right? This is not the next 4 seconds. So this will be likely the next several months playing out if we do something like this. Now, I'm not saying this is going to happen or what I even think is going to happen. It's just a possible scenario. Ideally, we'd like Link to just, face melt everything and go to 100 immediately. Then, Link all-time highs, okay? But just giving you one possible scenario. Another more realistic scenario is, say we do get really bullish and we break up through here for, the first time in a long time, and we hit, something crazy and we get up to like 80s. If we come back down, we just want to hold this as support. This many month level, the 72 level, if we could do that and then bounce again, this would be even more bullish. This would be the ideal scenario. Just more than likely, I think the odds are that, that line would actually hold, major resistance on any chart will likely be met with resistance the first time you interact with it. And we haven't touched this, really, we haven't touched the 72 level since, April of 2021 when we were doing quite well, right? All-time highs. So keep that in mind as we go forward. All right, let's look at LINKETHEREUM. Note that RSI. Look, we're technically against Ethereum. We're overbought, right? That's by definition, right? You enter this area. That's a good sign, right? You want your strength to be really high, relative strength index. That's what that means. But we were really low, but now we're really high. So selling Link to Ethereum at this point is a good way to increase your Link stack without adding more fiat dollars. So I put this on Twitter yesterday that, selling some Link to Ethereum, and, some people got a little upset to think I'm abandoning Link or I don't like Link. That's couldn't be farther from the truth. One, I have a neon sign. Two, you're advertising your ignorance by what you're saying. I'm trying to get you to increase your Link stack by telling you this. You can greatly increase whatever trading pair you're looking at by trading between pairs and not always over to fiat. So buying Link with Ethereum here is a great idea. Selling Link to Ethereum here is a great idea. If you would have done this trade, your Ethereum to Link stack is greatly increasing without using any fiat. Are we following? Okay. So not financial advice. Nothing I say is financial advice, but if you were to only, trade Ethereum to Link when it's down here and Link to Ethereum when it's up here, you're doing quite well since July of 2020. You've had 4 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good. All right. How about anything else? Let's go look at Link Bitcoin. See what that's looking like. Well, it's looking pretty damn bullish too. And again, slightly overbought. Okay, so let's see what else we got. Oh, let's might as well go look at Link USD. So that's what we did right to begin with. So that is against USD. Then we just looked at Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right, the Gaussian channel in the 5-day. I'm running out of breath. I need a drink. I got my McLaren Yeti here, so we're good to go. All right, the 5-day Gaussian channel, LINKETHEREUM. We're coming into the bottom of the channel. You guessed it, minor resistance. So we want to reverse this, which we will eventually. Just letting you know where we stand. We don't look at this that often. So LINKETHEREUM on the 5-day Gaussian channel, we're well under here, and we're trying to get back into it. This is what we need to do. You can see how bullish Link was against Ethereum for a long time, for basically all its years, starting out. And then, last year, the last year has not been so great against Ethereum, but we're trying to battle back. So there you go. And then Link against Bitcoin. Looky there. We just broken through our median line, and this candle closes in 3.5 days. I would love us to hold this, break above this. It's green for a reason, because that's by definition on the Gaussian channel. If you're up in this half of the region, you're starting to turn more bullish. So hopefully if we close here, the odds would increase of us going up here. So keep that in mind. Link is trying to turn around against Bitcoin as well, which has been, basically a downtrend, slow bleed all of 2021, and even before making that $20 peak in USD. That was right here. Ever since then, Bitcoin's been kind of a better option versus Chainlink. So that's it for that one. Let's go look at the crypto fear and greed index if you'd like to. Extreme fear, we're still here, right? We're still way down here. Look at that chart. Yikes. But we'll get out of it at some point. Who knows how long we'll be down here, but usually extreme fear doesn't last a whole long time, just like extreme greed, right? So we can last another couple weeks, couple months, whatever. We'll get through it. Don't cry. We keep that guy up forever. There's your quote of the day. The face is the mirror of the mind, and the eyes without speaking confess the secrets of the heart. So deep. Yikes. It's real deep. All right, there's my YouTube stats. And we had a request on Twitter. I think somewhere someone requested I do rally cars or Baja. So there you go. Baja truck, Ford Raptor. You want a more badass picture than that? You got it. The Fox Racing Ford Raptor. I would like to do it. Anybody ever been in one of these? Not driven. Maybe not driven. I've even been in one where it's, ramping through the midair. I feel like it'd be violent. I feel like that would be violent. You definitely need a helmet or something. All right, and by popular request, we got dad joke of the day / meme of the day. Meme of the day. Dad meme of the day. How about that? So we'll do like a joke of the day, meme of the day at the end, just to end on a smile. So my wife texted me this morning and I didn't respond. So then she follows up with this. No explanation. If you don't get it, if you know, you know. All right, that's it. Yeah, we got it. Well, I'll do another one the next video, obviously. Brain fart. I'll see you on the next one. Well, in that case.